I'm the office manager, and I'd love to show you around our showroom. So this is the desk where I sit, and we have this beautiful Cambria quartz countertop slab. And over here is our design team, and we have Jose Morales, who's hard at work there.
My name is Jose Morales. I work here at Westside Remodeling as a design assistant. I've been here for a little over 2 years, and I primarily work with Bob, and from time to time with Alana as well. So what I do here is that I get the client's folder, I start working on the budgets, I start working on the estimates, the design agreement, or whether it's a contract, and I make sure that I get all the numbers from all the team members in order to make sure that we get all the materials on time, the project went smoothly, and the client is happy.
And we have Alana Bussey. She is our lead designer.
My name's Alana. I'm the lead designer here at Westside Remodeling. I've been doing kitchen and bath design for about 13 years now. I do a little bit of everything from the plans, permits, estimating, contracts, helping clients select materials, and kind of everything in between. I really love working with the Westside team. All the guys and everybody in the field and the office is just really a great team family atmosphere.
I'd like you to meet Bob Sturgeon. He's hard at work in his office over here.
I'm Bob Sturgeon, president and founder of Westside Remodeling. I started my business back in 1985, and at that time we're on the west side of Los Angeles. I like remodeling because, I meet a lot of interesting people and get to help work with them on their budget and their design, take them through all the way to construction, and it's very satisfying to walk with somebody down a path from they first think about a remodel to walking into the showroom to working with them on their budget and design, and then seeing their smiling faces when the job is completed. It's there's nothing really quite like it. I mean, it's a very satisfying and fulfilling career.
And I just love my kitchen, and I love my appliances. I love the colors here. You know what was the best thing? Well, the best thing was that you had a whole team for me. Look at the tile work. I mean, the way you had the person come in and do this. And here is my master. So I really enjoyed working with your team.
Good, yeah. Well, it really came out good. It was a pleasure working with you.
Thank you.
You're just awesome. I remember the first day you walked in our showroom and sat down and talked. And
I said I want somebody who would take care of me.
Yes.
And you did take care of me.
I said I would, and I did.
You did, because that's what I said. I want somebody who would take care of me.
Yep.
And
definitely my pleasure to do that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So we have 4 different lines of quartz countertop material. Quartz is the #1 countertop material now. It's taking over from marble and granite, and it's much more durable. It's maintenance free. You just wipe it clean, and it is stain resistant and scratch resistant. And over here, we now have our Omega displays. And I would love to show you a cool thing over here in this corner. This is called our Magic Corner by Omega, and this helps you with any dead space that you may have in a corner. And so that pulls out like that, and you can just put it back. We also have a couple other cool things that you can do to squeeze in some more storage, places you might not expect, and all kinds of cool things that they can do. So this is our Omega display, and we have a lot of samples here as well. And then we have our top knob displays for our cabinet knobs and pulls. And there's many, many choices that you can pick from. This is just a small sampling. And we're going to show you our new Dura Supreme cabinetry display.
At Westside Remodeling, we have many different showroom displays. This is one of my favorites. It's by Dura Supreme. And we show a few different options here. We show the new metal drawer boxes. They're full extension, also on the soft close. We also show your wood drawer boxes, which are dovetailed, finished going across, full extension, soft close, and then we even have options where you can have docking drawers. So it has a built-in charger for your iPhone, iPad, anything like that, plus 2 USB outlets, also on the soft close. We have our storage bin holder, so if you don't want to have all your utensils on your countertops, this is a great way to take them off so you have more countertop space. There are many different pantry options, but one of them that we love here is this Kesselbaumer unit that completely pulls out so you can access it from both sides. Another option for upper cabinets are these acrylic doors that lift up.
My name is Christian Sulik, and I'm the production manager for Westside Remodeling. I oversee day-to-day production on all of our projects. I make sure that all of our subs are scheduled on time. I check the quality of work on a daily basis on all of our projects. This is a very simple kitchen remodel. We basically took everything out and replaced it like for like, updated everything, modernized everything, and I really enjoy my project. I tend to spend a lot of time managing the client's expectations, making sure that they know what they're getting, when they're getting it, and what it's going to look like. You know, some of the things that I like about Westside Remodeling is that it's a family business and everybody cares about every project. Each of our clients is made to feel as though they're very important. Each project carries a huge priority to our company and all of our staff and all of our subcontractors as well. We don't compromise design, we don't compromise quality of work anywhere.
I'm Bob Sturgeon, president and founder of Westside Remodeling, and we hope to see you in our showroom soon.